merong maingay na bata sa kabilang kwarto kaya hindi ako makapag-record ng malakas na boses kasi kapag nilakasan ko yung boses ko, nilalakasan niya din yung boses niya. Kaya pasensya na kung ganito lang. And by the way, don't skip this video, please. Watch ka kahit hanggang 3 minutes lang. And then saka ka mag-like and subscribe. So sa video na to guys, ma-achieve mo yung pangarap mo na naudlot dahil sa pandemic. I believe lahat tayo gusto ng graduate, pero dahil sa pandemic, lahat tayo walang magawa kundi magantay kung kailan matatapos to. Let's be ready. So last night, I posted a new profile picture on my Facebook account. If you want to see it, then see it. And I believe there are people who like it kasi yung pag-edit ko dun, sabi nila, it was really good and hindi siya halatang edited. Mga nag-message din sa akin na ma-edit at kung paano siya gawin. And dahil madami na gustong matuloy ang graduation, ngayon tuturuan ko kayo kung paano yun makakamit kahit sa edited picture lang using TOGA and by editing it using picsart application. Pero kung gusto nyo pa rin magpagawa sa akin, palitan nyo lang siya ng load. Real talk to. Or kaya you can ask at least 5 friends to subscribe on my channel. Pwede na rin yun. Pang-edit ko kayo. So ayan na guys, umiiyak ko na siya. So paano ba yan? Start na tayo.
This is it! And bago natin umpisahan, kailangan nyo munang mag-download ng graduation gown. So these are the gowns that I've searched from Safari or pwede na rin sa Google.
Ito yung napili ko.
At syempre, pumili na rin kayo ng perfect picture na ilalagay nyo doon sa napili nyong graduation gown. She's one of my clients and I asked her if I can use her photo to create my own graduation pic and pumayag naman siya. After doing what I said, let's go to picsart. I-follow nyo na lang yung red circles. Ayan, so hanapin nyo na yung graduation gown na napili nyo. Ayun yung pinili kong babae. Unahin mo siya kasi magiging background natin siya. And mag-add photo ka na. Ayan, so hanapin mo na yung best picture na napili mo.
That's it, yung my circle.
Ayan, syempre, i-crop muna natin siya para hindi ka mahirapan magbura at mag-adjust mamaya. Ayan, so, ang kailangan lang naman natin ay yung muka kasi meron ng buhok yung graduation gown na napili natin. And after that, i-click mo yung apply doon sa taas sa right side. At pwede mo nang i-click ang eraser figure doon sa taas.
You can also adjust the size and hardness of the eraser.
So ayan, pwede mo nang burahin ang nasa paligid ng mukha mo including your hair. You can also zoom in and zoom out the photo para ma-erase mo yung mga bagay na dapat ma-erase sa paligid ng face mo. When you accidentally erase some part of your face, you can restore it using the paintbrush figure below. Moving on the upper part, you are not going to erase all the hair. Ang gagawin natin, i-adjust ang hardness ng eraser at saka niya burahin para maging faded lang siya.
I-click mo na yung next at saka mo siya i-save. I-click mo yung save and then download photo. And of course, done. Okay, bumalik ka ulit sa picsart, all photos. Click mo yung all photos.
And piliin mo yung pinakaunang picture, yan yung ginawa natin kanina. At pwede mo na siyang lagyan ng pangalan ng school mo, or kaya ng course mo, or kaya yung name mo. Ayan, so pwede ka nang mag-insert ng text, slide mo lang or swipe mo pa-left yung nasa baba and then click mo yung text.
That's it, pwede ka nang mag-insert ng text. But if your school is not allowing you to use its name for anything, then don't use it. This is just an example for me to be able na maipakita sa inyo kung paano siya gawin. And since this is my school, I'm proud of it, so I'm going to use it. And I think wala naman siguro akong masamang ginagawa dito. So that's it, Metro Manila College, the school where I came from. Or hindi pa naman ako graduate. Graduate pa lang, but because of this pandemic, paspan siya. So ayan, lagyan natin siya ng ibang font. And I chose this one. So ganyan na yung kulay niya. Pero pwede nyo ding baguhin. Ayun sa baba, tignan nyo na lang yung color. And also, pwede mo na ding ilagay yung course mo. Ako, Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in MAPE. So, nilagay ko dyan, ayan, Bachelor of Secondary Education. By the way, hindi mo siya idadagdag doon sa pangalan ng school mo. You are going to add text again. At yan na ang ilalagay mo kung ano ang kurso mo.
I'm not sure pero it can be Bachelor in Secondary Education din kasi parang may nakita ako nun sa school na ganun yung nakalagay, Bachelor in Secondary, not Bachelor of Secondary. Pero ikaw na bahala, edited lang naman yan. And as you can see, pinalitan ko na ng color yellow yung Bachelor of Secondary Education. And after that, mag-add na ulit kayo ng photo. And ang in-add ko ay ang logo ng aming school. Kinrap ko ulit siya at saka ko siya in-apply. I-click nyo lang yung apply sa taas.
Okay, so this is not intended to do something against the school. I'm just using it for the tutorial. But if your school is not allowing you to use the logo, then do not use it. So this is just for tutorial. Okay, that's it guys. So you can actually zoom in and zoom out the photo so that you could be able to adjust the logo and the text itself. And after that, click nyo na yung apply and click nyo din yung next so that you could be able to save it and also download photo. And after that, pwede nyo nang i-done, i-click yung done or just go to your home. And then, punta na din kayo sa album nyo, photos, and then makikita nyo na siya doon. Okay, so hanapin na natin siya. Camera roll. So, yan yung ginawa natin na mayroong pangalan ng school at saka logo. Pero gumawa rin ako ng picture na pangalan ko lang at saka yung kurso ko. At yan ang ginawa kong profile picture sa Facebook. And I believe there are people na gusto yung gawa ko kasi nag-PM sila sa akin at nagpapagawa. Kaya gumawa na lang ako ng tutorial. So, this is my profile picture right now in my Facebook. And I would like to thank those people na nag-congratulate sa akin. This is not yet my final grad pic, but I will be there soon. You just have to wait for the Lord's time. Again, thank you and I hope natuto kayo dito sa tutorial ko na to. So you can now create yours, tag me, mention me if you want. And it would be great to see na kahit dito lang ramdam natin nag-graduate na tayo. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.